turn my tune up. I'm back, bitch. Using filters on the net, using catfish. Bitches, Lil Bean, I'm the GOAT, I ain't average. She let me fuck from the front and the back end. Is you real, is you fake? I'm just asking. Since a youngin', I was in the trenches trapping. Ask my brother, ask my mother, I ain't capping. All facts, since a jet, I been rapping. Take the head off your squad like no captain. Talking tough, you get crunched like no captain. Then post a picture on the book with no caption. Why the fuck you got that blick, you only flashing? I'm a fucking superstar, I ain't average. Yeah, I'm not average. I let a pussy nigga have it. Break bread, niggas need cabbage. I'll cause hell these habits.
You flex on bread, not having it. Manifest shit from the past tense. Think about that, this shit tragic. I think like I ain't having it. Off the map like so fake, go. She see me 2 times, baby, don't go. Fuck up my heart, so I switch on my flow. Hell no, they say Rigo. After the Glock, I'ma shoot 2 times. On 1K, but I feel like G9. Call Jess, you know she my slime. Post in the hood with chops and fries. I ain't no cat, but I stay with the back end. Mama, she mad cause I got them packs in. Told my daddy, he said stop trapping.
Told you no, but you keep on asking. Shorty on go, she stretched like elastic. Christian Dior, cause I fuck with the fashion. Pulling her pussy out while we in traffic. Fuck, swerving, almost crashing. Pulling right over to jump in the backseat. Pulling right over to jump in the backseat. Baby, a trash star, guess I'ma track me.
I'm wearing chrome hearts, you wearing mom jeans. How could you figure you acting like Tommy? Hand on the trigger, gon' catch me a body. Shooting the sport and shooting the sport and shooting the sport. Hold on, shooting the sport and I make me a zombie. Shooting the sport, I call it shooting the sport. We call for his mommy.
Got a jet sport in the field with a Glock. He run up on my man, see I'm here with a soppy.